Hello Primary 5. Today we continue explaining Unit 4 Woodlands Adventure Park. Okay, open your booklet page 50. Let's know the new words. The first one is theater. Theater means a place where we can watch a play. The place where we can watch a play. Number two, facilities. Facilities, it's a noun. Facilities means things and services that help you to do something easily. Okay, things and services like when you are in a place. Okay, when you are in somewhere, you have water, electricity. Okay, shops. Okay, that's called facilities. Okay, things and services that help you to do something. Number three, available. Available means easily, to be easily reached. Okay, to be easily reached. Number four, train. Okay, I traveled by train. So train means a mean of transport, a way of transport. Okay. Number five, we got the word patient. Okay, patient means the ability to bear or wait, the ability to wait for a long time. Okay, so you are patient. When I say you are patient, that means you have the ability to wait for a long time. The opposite of patient is impatient. The opposite of patient is impatient. Number six, we got the word attraction. Okay, attraction means something which makes people admire to go to a place or to do something. Okay, so attraction means something enjoyable. Okay, something interesting. So the people want to visit that place or see it. Okay, so attraction means something which makes people admire to go and to place or to do something. Okay, number seven, we have the word wise. Wise here, it's an adjective showing cleverness to deal with things correctly. Okay, when you are very clever, when you are very clever and you make good decisions, so you are a wise person. You are wise. Wise means very clever. Number eight, assistant. Assistant means someone who helps others. Someone who helps others means assistant. Number nine, important. Okay, when you have something important, you have something necessary or having a great value. So important means very necessary. Number 10, we got the word distant. Distant means very far from. The opposite of distant is near. Okay, distant, the opposite of it is near. Number 11, elegant. When I say you are elegant, that means you are stylish. Okay? Beautiful and stylish. The opposite of the word elegant is inelegant. Elegant, inelegant. Okay, guys? Repeat after me. Okay? Repeat. Number one, theater. Two, facilities. Three, available. Four, train. Five, patient. Six, attraction. Seven, wise. Eight, assistant. Nine, important. 10, distant. 11, elegant. Okay, now let's move to page 51. Okay, let's move to page 51. Today we have future simple tense. Okay, when I say future simple tense, that means we will talk about, we are going to talk about something will happen in the future. Okay, let us see the form for future tense. Subject plus will plus verb infinitive. Okay, subject plus will plus verb infinitive. This is a form. Let's know the keywords of future tense. The keywords for it are tomorrow, next, next day, next week, next month, next year, next holiday. Okay, tomorrow, next. For example, I will go to the zoo tomorrow. They will play tennis next Friday. Okay. What about the negative? How to use the negative for future tense? Will not equals won't. Won't, W O N apostrophe T. Will not equals won't. W O N apostrophe T. Negative. I won't go to the zoo. I will not go to the zoo. They are the same. Okay. How to make a question using future tense? Yes, no question. I start with will plus subject plus verb infinitive. For example, will you go to the zoo tomorrow? Will you go to the zoo tomorrow? Okay, this is the future tense. You have the form, keywords, negative, and how to make a question. Here we have the rule of if. First case, we have the rule of if. Okay, when the sentence starts with if, when the sentence starts with if, okay, the sentence after if is present simple tense. Then comma, we put comma, and then we put can or will plus verb infinitive. Okay, so when I start with if, so if plus present simple, comma, subject plus can or will, verb infinitive. Okay, when I use if in the middle, when I put if in the middle, I start with will or can plus verb infinitive. Then after if, we put present simple tense. Again, when I start with if, so the sentence will be if plus present simple, comma, will plus verb infinitive. Will or can plus verb infinitive. Okay, when I put if in the middle, I start with can or will plus verb infinitive, then if, then present simple. Let's see the example. For example, if I go to the school, I go to the school, present simple, comma, I will play tennis. So we use if here in the beginning. Okay, if I go to the club, I will play tennis. Number two, I will play tennis if I go to the club. If I use if in the middle, I start with will. I will play tennis if I go to the club. B, if he doesn't study hard, he won't pass the exam. Okay, when I want to use if in the middle, he won't. Yeah, we will start with will or won't. He won't pass the exam if he doesn't study hard. Okay, now let's move to uh, page 53 and answer some exercises. Page 53. Choose the correct answer. Here, number one, they will climbed mountain tomorrow. So you got the keyword tomorrow. So the answer is will climb. They make a circle around will climb. They will climb mountain tomorrow. Number two, he doesn't don't visit his uncle next week. Okay, next week, you got the keyword next week, so the answer will be he won't. He won't visit his uncle next week. Number 3, if I will went to the club, I will play tennis. So the answer will be if I go. Make a circle round go. Number 4, Ola wore a jacket if it will be cold. Ola. So we got if here in the middle. So we'll start with will wear. Ola will wear a jacket if it is cold. If it is cold. Number 5, the shop assistant assistance distance is helpful. The shop assistant is helpful. The shop assistant is helpful. Number 6, if they study hard, they will passed the exams. If they study hard, they will pass the exams. Number 7, I must keep this letter. It is importance silence. So the answer will be important. I must keep this letter. It is important. Number 8, our teacher is kind and patient, patience, brilliance. So the answer will be patient because it's an adjective. Is kind and patient. Okay, now let's move to the question of rewrite. Number 1, Ali is hungry. He eats much food. We want to use if. Okay. Okay. Here, if he or Ali is hungry, if Ali is hungry, he will eat much food. Okay. Number 2, they didn't hear the alarm. They didn't get up early. I want to use if in the middle. We want to use if in the middle. So I start with will. They will get up early. They will get up early if they hear the alarm. They will get up early if they hear the alarm. Number 3, I'll travel to London next month. I want to use where. When I want to make a question here using future simple tense, I make cross and change I into you. Instead of saying I will, so I will say will you. I will changes into will you. So the answer will be where will you travel next month and cancel to London. Where will you travel next month? Number 4, yes, he will play tennis at the club. I want to use will, cancel yes, and make a cross. So the answer will be will he play tennis at the club? Will he play tennis at the club? Number 5, we will have lunch at 3 o'clock. I want to use not. Okay? Yeah, I will add not. Just add not. I can say we will not or we won't have lunch at 3 o'clock. We won't have lunch at 3 o'clock. Okay, guys? So, these are the answers for page 53. Study hard and see you next time. Thanks for watching.